Another one is the box, SKU number. Let's see, what do we have? So this is a go-kart. Looks like it's gonna be easy to assemble. User manual right here. The motors are inside the wheels. That's interesting, never seen this before. Looks like the motors are inside the wheels. Anthony's gonna help me, and he's gonna play later. Looks like there will be some LEDs here. The steering wheel is pretty cool. It doesn't have a lot of parts, so I think this is gonna be a pretty quick assembly. Well, first step here, get this piece right here. It has this L shape. Put in that hole over there. Just like that. Keep this to this side. And then we're gonna get this bar and assemble on top. Really, there isn't really a lot of screws, just 2 screws here. And the screws are already here, so undo this, and screw that piece right here. And I think you have to undo the one in the middle as well. Like I mentioned, just put this, make sure this fits right here, because this is gonna be the steering mechanism. Screw in the middle, 2 screws right here, 2 screws right here. This is done. Now we are going to put these wheels on. Take this off. Just like that. Get this motor. I don't think there is any size. This looks the same. Just fit in right here. There you go. Then connect this right here. Do the same on that side, and that's it. I really like to see bearings like this. So this is going to last a long time. Put your washer back in place, and then your nut. And get these tools that they provide, and then just tight this really snug. Click the wheel cover right here, and this area of the vehicle, the front, is ready. Then we're gonna do this and those parts as well. Well, don't forget to do this. Unscrew this screw, put the cable in, so it firms up the cable right here. Now we are looking in the back. What's up? Oh, there's lights in there. Really cool. So now we are in the back. Get this piece right here. Connect this wire right here. Just like that. Push the wire in. And then just click in place. Now, playing with the tool right there, Anthony? So right now we're gonna do the rear of the vehicle, which is this part right here. You have 4 screws here. It's missing one. And 4 here. Take these screws out. Put this, then do the 4 screws, and should be good to go. Interesting design. I think they can use this for other purpose as well. There is a hole here you can punch. Maybe different wheels, I don't know. But this model here uses this mechanism right here, and also lights the lights here. So we are in this step here. It's almost done. There isn't really a lot of parts left. Coming up really well. This piece here just mounted on these plastic parts. No screws required, just clicks in place. And I think the last piece here, or maybe one of the last, let's see. Oh, I have this. There's a flag. Let's see where, oh, flag goes right here. So put the flag right here. Nice flag. And then there is a screw right here. So we need to screw this right here. And then it's gonna be gone. It's gonna be over. It looks pretty cool. Are you excited, Anthony?
Yeah!
Yeah, he is. Now you gotta open the seats and just connect the battery, and that should be it. Let me get this, Anthony. So let's open this up.
Daddy, are you all done?
Okay. Oh, look at this. Nice size battery.
No!
12 volts.
How are you doing this?
We need to connect this, Anthony. Where's the other? Oh, right here, the other cable.
I can put it myself.
Can you put it yourself? Okay, let's see if you can, if you turn this right there. Click it.
Click. I click it.
No, it didn't click. Okay, now it did click. So let's see if it turns on.
Ah!
Oh yeah, nice lights.
But I can want to try over there.
Yes, I know. Let me close this up.
Oh,
So now-
let me down there.
Put the seat back in place. Just put right there.
Daddy.
Why it's not going? Oh, this should be somewhere in here. Yes?
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go there.
I can't bad. This is too big for me. This
Right
is too
here.
big for me, but that one,
And right here. And that's it.
Big.
That's about it.
Daddy.
Turning on.
Daddy, look at me.
That was not hard at all.
It's too fast.
It is too fast. Let's check this out. Here you go, Anthony. I see the LEDs in the back, flashing right there. Really nice. First try, we just assembled this. It took us maybe 15 minutes. Really easy to assemble. He's going up the hill. I'm walking behind him. We'll play on this parking lot here, close to the school. And I think it's gonna be really fun. Let's see if it goes quick. Oh, look at that. He's already flipping it over. Hey, Anthony. That's nice, man. Come here in the sun. Come this way, Anthony. Do a big turn. It's pretty nice. You can do really tight turns because the wheels in the back, it spins freely. The motors are mounted on the two wheels in the front. There are really nice, cool LEDs right here. Really cool. Ah! Woohoo! Go, Anthony, go! Anthony, come here in the sun. Let's get some nice shots right over here. So this is 12 volts. Oh, look at Anthony doing it without his hands. That's dangerous, Anthony. Car has music. Music right here, Anthony.
Sure, what?
Lights in the front, lights in the back. The unit is simple to assemble. It's a lot of fun. Anthony is 4 years old. First time driving this. Well, he drove many other ride-on cars over the years, but this one is the first time and he's doing great. Just enjoying. Good job. Woohoo! He can do this all day long. Not 12 volts, two motors in the front wheels, little wheels in the back, flag in the back as well. Easy to control. See, at 4 years old, the LEDs in the front look beautiful.